To use Amex Send on Venmo, you need to have an American Express card and a Venmo account. First, open the Venmo app and navigate to the Settings menu. Scroll down to the Payment Methods section and select Add Payment Method. Choose American Express from the list of available payment options and enter your card details to link it to your Venmo account. Once your American Express card is linked, you can use Amex Send to send money to friends and family. To do this, open the Venmo app and tap on the Pay or Request button. Enter the recipient's username, phone number, or email address, and the amount you want to send. Select your American Express card as the payment method and add a note to the payment if needed. You can also use Amex Send to split payments with others. To split a payment, open the Venmo app and tap on the Pay or Request button. Enter the amount you want to split and select the friends you want to split it with. You can choose to split the payment equally or enter a custom amount for each person. Select your American Express card as the payment method and confirm the payment. When using Amex Send on Venmo, keep in mind that you will earn rewards points on your American Express card for eligible purchases. You can also use Amex offers to get discounts and statement credits on certain purchases. To take advantage of Amex offers, navigate to the Amex website or mobile app and browse the available offers. Add the offers you want to your card and use your American Express card to make eligible purchases. On Venmo, it is also important to note that Amex Send on Venmo is subject to the same terms and conditions as your American Express card. This includes interest rates, fees, and payment due dates. Make sure to review your card agreement and understand the terms before using Amex Send on Venmo. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Amex Send on Venmo to send money to friends and family, split payments, and earn rewards points on your American Express card. Remember to always review your card agreement and understand the terms before using Amex Send on Venmo.